today. I love that. Hey everybody, and welcome to it. Welcome to my M4 MacBook Air unboxing. Today we have the beautiful new sky blue. I'm so excited to open this. I actually got a little sneak peek preview at this in New York and it was epic. Yesterday I unboxed the M3 iPad Air in blue too, so that's what you see up there. Anyways, this is the 13-inch MacBook Air in sky blue. I got the 1 terabyte of storage. Always need lots of extra space as a creator. As for pricing, the 13-inch starts at $9.99, and if you're a student, definitely look into the education discount because it is $8.99 with that special student discount. And then the 15-inch starts at $1,199. So that's just the specs, the pricing, all of that. Now that we've gotten that all over with, let's unbox it so we can see this beautiful icy sky blue color. All right, here we go. They're always just so shocking how thin and light they are. Set that off. First, let's check out what's in the box. I have to grab it first. There is a braided cable that is color matched to the color of the Mac. So it's kind of like this really small, barely noticeable light blue, which is really fun. How cute. Check what else is out in the box. We have our charging block to go with our cord. Let's see what else is in here. We have just some papers. I've got to start getting used to the disappointment of there being no stickers. I just keep hoping every time, maybe it'll change. But all right, let's get this box out of here. I am so excited. Okay, time to see this color in my own natural habitat. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I love it. Look at how pretty that is. Just, oh my word. I'm obsessed. It's like how I matched with my Mac today. Oh my word. Look at it in the sunlight. Oh my gosh, I just fell in love all over again. This is pretty. Honestly, I didn't know if I was going to like it because usually, if you can't tell, I'm always a pink girl. But obviously there's no pink option, so we're seeing the new blue and wow. Wow, like it looks like almost silvery in some lights and then others, it's straight up blue. It's stunning. This color is beautiful. I really like it. But I did want to say, these are so light, the MacBook Airs. I love them for on the go and traveling. It can still do so much for being such a small object, so I'm going to try and edit this video on here later. So stick around to see some performance tests, but so light, and some might say that's perfect for college students for on the go, so that whenever you're walking to class, the only thing weighing you down is the stress of college and not your backpack. Okay, let's get this thing set up. My favorite sound. All right, it's turning on, obviously. It's starting. Here we go, maybe. Oh, set up. We're going to say English. Hold on, gotta sign into my Apple ID real quick. Is it just me, or do we look kind of good together? Yeah, I'm obsessed. Now this right here is where I thrive. I love customizing my MacBook, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly just a few little small things to do to make your MacBook aesthetic. I have so many videos on this. I actually have a whole playlist of them all. I'll put that down below if you just got a new Mac and want to customize yours, but I'll just do a few of the steps that I do. Okay, I just found this wallpaper. It's a little gradient on Pinterest, so I'm just going to download this. I usually add it to my home screen so that I can right click on it and click set desktop photo. So there it is, it's a little heart. Now we need some folders, so I'm going to just make a few. We'll make a YouTube one. Let's say I was still in school. It would be a school one. Next, we need to change those folder icons because those are ugly. I'm going to head to my website, juliakchris.com, and download. I have a little desktop folder icon section, and I want to do this little butterfly. And you're gonna open that up, and once you have it open, you'll click Command A, Command C. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to right click on a folder and click Get Info. Then you'll go up to the top left where there's this little folder here. It's the tiny one, and you'll click on it so it's highlighted, and click Command V on your keyboard. Oof, those are kind of hard to see. Yeah, I have to keep them in the middle. Okay, yeah, that could be fun. Okay, I'm gonna do it the same for all of them. Okay, and then I don't like to have my dock showing, so I go down to System Settings, I go to Desktop and Dock, and then you see this one right here that says Automatically Hide and Show the Dock. I toggle that so that it's disappeared, so that it only comes up when you move your mouse down there. All right, next we are going to be downloading a few apps, well, just one in particular, to make some cute widgets. I love the app Widget Wall. I just downloaded it. Boy, oh boy, it's added some fun ones. The one I really, really wanted was this confetti one, so I'm going to make it small. I think I can customize it to be cute. I'm gonna take all these off real quick because I don't need all of these. This is how we are going to add photos. I just looked up blue widgets to find some fun things. I like these tulips. Download these. Okay, now to change this, all I did was right click on it. I clicked on source and I'm clicking files and then browse. And then I'm going to drag this over and look at my downloads because they went to my downloads. And I'll select one of the photos, and there it is. Aww, really cute. Okay, we'll do the next one. Files, browse. This is the confetti. I did the small, and then I'm also gonna choose the background of this by clicking photo here, browse. I'm gonna select that, so that's the background, so it's not as ugly. It's still a little ugly, but that's okay. This, I can't tell if I really like this. Okay. We're getting somewhere, but I wanted to show you all the button. Watch, I'll click this. Confetti! I love it. It's like a little mini celebration whenever I want. I'm gonna do that all the time. Aw, they're so cute. Wow, oh, they take a while. It takes a while. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep messing around with this and I will come back and show you the final result. Well, I changed everything, unfortunately, from when I last was talking to you. I had to go pink. Tried really hard to do the whole blue thing. Didn't work. But here it is, my desktop. She's gorgeous. To be fair, I kept some of the blue. When I see something fun. Yay! I love that. That is so fun. It's like a little party happening on my MacBook all the time. I'll have to do that whenever I finish editing a video. I love it. This one is from the Reminders app. This one is iScreen, Notion, the Widget Wall, Widget Wall, Widget Wall. Then these two were my Widget Smith app from my phone. It like all transfers over. And then this is just a sticky note with the Stickies app. So that's a little tour. Then the wallpaper is from my website, juliakchris.com. I downloaded it off of there. I think it's really cute. I'm very happy with it. Okay, now I wanted to get into testing out some of the fun things and showing you all what this little tiny little thing can do. And of course, the first thing we're going to download is The Sims. So you have to go to ea.com and download the Electronic Arts app. And get it for Mac. It's downloading literally so fast. I can play Sims on the go, of course. Okay, I logged in and there it is. I have to just download it onto this Mac itself since I have it on all my other devices and not this one. All right, what do we say? We try out some Sims. It's all downloaded now, so we just need to go. Yeah. All right, well, it can run The Sims. That's awesome. That's exciting. Really? We can stop this video here. That's all we need to know. Well, I created a whole sim. She's a mermaid and it works, so that's exciting. You know what we deserve for that? A little bit of confetti. Okay guys, usually whenever I'm editing, I prefer to have some sort of larger display to just see everything easy and have different tabs going. So I have a fun accessory here today that I've never used before. This is a studio display, an Apple studio display. So this M4 MacBook Air can actually support up to 2 external displays. So that's what this is. So we're gonna try it and plug this in with this to just get extra space going. Not quite sure if this is necessary for the average consumer, but if you like cool things, or if you like to multitask often, or just big screens to have more to do and be more productive, then I'm gonna set it up and try it out. But if you could care less, I have the timestamps down below and you can just skip over this section. sick. Okay, here it is. It's nice. Girl. Okay, this is awesome. So nice. Okay, I'm absolutely obsessed. I don't know how I've lived without this. Anyways, as we can see, I have the M4 MacBook Air plugged in, powering this, and I have my Final Cut Pro, which is what I edit my videos on. I have my iPad Air unboxing, which is like a full 4K file, very large, lots going on video, and I've just watching through it and editing it with ease. On this, like, this doesn't even have a fan. That is insane to me. And then over here, since I can still use this while this is plugged in, I have my Notion board where I kind of plan out all my content just so that I can have my notes and everything right here next to me while I'm editing to make sure my facts are correct, because sometimes I make mistakes. Hello. I'm watching my video. That is too good. Obviously, my space is a little too small, but I'm so excited to use this all together. This is perfect for productivity, and I definitely need to work on a new desk setup instead of this tiny little side table. But that just goes to show what all this MacBook Air can do. That's crazy. Now, to kind of round this out, I just wanted to go over really quickly a few of my other favorite features and things that you really need to know about this MacBook Air. So first off, it has all-day battery life. It has up to 18 hours, which is crazy. It has the new 12 megapixel center stage camera. So if you also love to vent to your photo booth app, like I know I and lots of other girls do, it's a nice camera, and it can even track you in the screen now. So if you're walking around, it'll follow you. It has the Magic Keyboard, which is nice and quiet and backlit, and has Touch ID. You can do iPhone mirroring on this, so you can access your phone even if when your phone is like turned off. I know a lot of students keep using this during class, which is probably good and bad for all people involved. Apple Intelligence is available on it, so you can use the writing tools to help summarize class notes, write up a video script for a YouTube video, or reword an email. You can all have it on here too, and plus literally all the other fun, exciting tools like Image Playground and Genmoji. And of course, it has the new M4 chip, so it can do everything faster, brighter, efficiently, and more. So if you have any questions at all, leave them below and I will try my best to help. If you made it all the way to this point in the video, I appreciate you so much, and you should comment the light blue heart so I know you all made it here, because you guys are awesome. If you enjoyed, you should definitely like this video and subscribe and stick around. I do tech content like this all the time, mixed in with some fun lifestyle. So I'm gonna end this here. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.